Robert and his wife, Linda, lived in a city with their two sons, John and Archie. John always took studies seriously, always with a book in his hand, while Archie was happy, as long as he passed his exams with a grade B. Robert and Linda were proud of John's dedication, but often worried about Archie's carefree attitude. One morning, Robert sat at the table with a newspaper, as Linda placed plates of scrambled eggs, buttered toast, golden pancakes, and crispy sausages on the table. A bowl of fresh fruit, a jug of milk, a pot of tea, and a jar of honey stood in the middle. The smell of warm bread and maple syrup filled the room. Just then, John and Archie entered. John poured milk into his glass and said,
"Dad, we have a math test today. I'm a little nervous."
Robert looked up with a smile.
You always do well. Son, don't worry so much.
Archie munched on toast and shrugged.
It's just a test. John, relax.
Linda laughed softly while serving him tea.
Learn from your brother, Archie.
After breakfast, the boys grabbed their bags and waved goodbye as they headed to school. Days passed quickly, and soon final exams were near. John spent long hours in his study room, books spread everywhere. Archie, however, sat comfortably on the sofa, watching a movie on his phone. Linda peeked in and sighed.
Archie, exams are coming. And you're watching movies again?
Archie didn't even look up.
I'll pass, Mom. Don't worry.
Linda shook her head
You always say that.
and went to the kitchen to fry potatoes. The smell of fries filled the house as she quietly placed them on a plate with ketchup. A week later, exams were over, and report cards arrived. Robert sat with both boys in the lounge.
Excellent, John.
He said proudly, patting his shoulder. Then he turned to Archie.
And you? Again just passed?
Archie shrugged, grinning.
At least I passed, Dad. That's enough.
Robert sighed, while Linda gave him a helpless smile. One morning, Linda couldn't get up from bed. Robert touched her forehead.
You have a high fever. Don't go to the kitchen. I'll handle everything.
He went to the kitchen and managed to toast bread, warm some milk, and bring a tablet for her.
Here, eat something. And rest.
He said softly. A while later, John and Archie came to the kitchen.
Where's Mom?
John asked.
She has a high fever. So she's resting.
Robert replied, serving them breakfast. John frowned.
Dad, the toast is burnt.
Robert laughed.
Sorry, dear. You know, I'm not good at cooking.
Then he added,
John, you stay home with Mom.
John shook his head quickly.
I can't, Dad. I have a test.
Before Robert could say anything, Archie interrupted.
I'll stay home, Dad. Don't worry.
Robert smiled.
Thanks, dear.
After they left, Archie cleaned the house, washed the dishes, and even made soup. He carried it carefully to Linda.
Here, Mom. Have some soup.
Linda looked at him with surprise.
Thanks. Archie.
He smiled. Later that day, John returned from school.
Mom. What will I eat?
He asked, putting his bag down. Archie called from the kitchen.
I'm making your favorite sandwiches. Come!
John smiled and went to change. When he returned, both brothers sat together eating.
These are delicious.
John said between bites. Archie grinned.
I learned the recipe from YouTube.
That night, Linda felt much better. The family sat together, chatting. Robert looked at Archie and said warmly,
You really took care of everything today. I'm proud of you.
Linda added,
Yes, my son. You've grown up.
Archie laughed.
Stop praising me, or I'll start flying in the air.
Everyone laughed. Then John spoke quietly.
Mom, Dad. I realized I should have stayed.
Robert smiled gently.
You're a good son, John. But remember, in difficult times, family comes first.
John nodded slowly.
I'm sorry. Dad. It won't happen again.
Linda stared at him.
So, should I get sick again to test you?
John pretended to be scared.
Oh no. Mom.
They all burst into laughter.